Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, I want to give you a very important chart update on AMD stock. I have reviewed my chart and made some small adjustments, which I usually never do, but I try to show you where I think will be the top for AMD. Everything what I say here is not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Okay guys, let's start with AMD. I mentioned in my last video that the top is very close based on what I see here in the chart, but this is a very odd chart pattern which I draw years ago for AMD. Now I made some small adjustments. If you have not seen my previous videos, AMD has a very strong resistance or sell-off zone here in this red box. And that means that the last time when we touched here the top level here, the top line of this red box, that was here in March 2024, AMD had a massive sell-off reaction. So in total, we corrected here by more than 66%. Also, what I want to show you that we had here the bear attack signal on the RSI ultimate indicator, which is super bearish, guys. When I get this signal here in my indicator, then that is a hint that something bad could happen. So let's see where we are today for AMD, and then I show you also the new price targets which I have here. So what is very easy to see when we follow up here the AMD chart from the last couple of years here, November 2021 was one of the peaks where we had this massive bull run and short squeeze rally here. Then the second peak was here in March 2024. Now we have October 2025. And what I want to show you is that the main algo supply zone for AMD, so the zone where usually the big whales take their profits, is 164 US dollar. However, guys, we're trading now here at 264 US dollar. So I want to show you what happened here as soon as AMD touched this price line. I want to use TradingView and press play now, and then we talk together about this price action here and what should and could happen next. So let's press play. So here was the first attempt coming. That was back here in July 2025. So you can see the price tried to find support here. Then we had one more sell-off attempt, a retest. Again, a retest. And boom, guys. So this is why the 164 mark is so important for AMD. So what we can see right now here in the chart is that we have a massive gap up. Let me switch off the indicators for a second. So you can see that AMD already wanted to break out on this level here back in August 2025. We came back down. We had here 1, 2, 3 retests, guys. We are here in the weekly chart. So 3 weekly candles which try to retest to break $164, and then the market makers decide, yes, we are ready to break out, and we have this massive gap up. You can see here this huge gap in the chart, and even right now we're trading above this red trend channel line here, which is usually super bearish. Why is also, when we just ignore now the drawings, why is this bearish as well, guys? I will enable my indicators once more, switch off the drawings. So there are two things which are super bearish right now for AMD, guys. The first thing is basically, of course, overall the market is overbought, and we have now here one weekly down gap for AMD at 171 US dollars. So that means that the potential that AMD will correct is very high, guys. We have here the last open gap. We built that here in May 2025. You know that here in April 2025, the market bottom. After this market fake out, in my opinion, it was not even a bear market. That was just a market fake out. Here is one open gap at 105 US dollar, open down gap, and the next one is at 171 US dollar. So that means, just based on this gap indicator, this is my gap indicator pro, by the way, guys. All my indicators which I'm showing here in the video are available in the video description. So you can see that we have here 2 potential price goals to the downside, and I think we are very close to see the top of AMD. The second bearish signal is that when we check out now the RSI ultimate indicator again, guys, we have now here for the first time since 2021 a bear attack signal on the RSI ultimate indicator. You know, guys, there is always a chance that we see a huge market short squeeze. It is possible, right? So if the market makers cannot drive the price down, then the market could squeeze and we see a huge short squeeze rally in 2026. Technically, of course, also possible. I just don't believe in that yet. So then let's now check here the drawings, and I want to show you the potential price goal for AMD. By the way, guys, if you want to get access to some volatile stocks, yeah, I always present here member stocks on Patreon and also trading tutorials and everything, guys. If you want to join us here, our community on Patreon, then you can just click in the video description. There is a link to the Patreon membership, and the full package membership is my most popular membership, guys. I post here short squeeze stocks, breakout stocks, member only videos, trading tutorials, member FAQ section. We have here a huge community. If you want to join us, the link patreon.com/blackbelttrader is available in the video description below, guys. So now, guys, what is the potential price target? So we left now here when this pattern is correct, right? If my pattern is right, it is, as I said, I draw that here years ago. So I have to maybe update that a little bit. But what we can definitely see is that we have here in 2021, in 2024, and here now absolute top of AMD. So if I now connect these dots, yeah, let's make it very simple here. I could also use some Fibonacci retracement and stuff like that. I want to just keep it here as simple as possible for you. So if I just connect these tops together and extend this line, that would mean, guys, yeah, based on this, if this is the algo trend line, which is causing the resistance for AMD, the sell-off, then that would mean that AMD has a little bit more room to go. And to be precise, it should be around 273, 74, 75, depending here on the week, US dollar, guys. That should be, based on this algo trend line, the market top. As I said before, we have the algo supply zone at 164 US dollar. Everything above that zone is bearish, guys, based on the history, based on the last 4 years. If we just see what this red trend channel pattern is doing, it's also bearish, guys. Yeah, this is just here a super, it's a bullish breakout, but with a bearish, how to say, there's a bearish energy in that, which is of course confirmed here by the RSI ultimate indicator. This is why I want to show you this video, guys. So be very careful. You have to make your own due diligence. Yeah, there is a potential that, you know, AMD is just short squeezing here. We can do that just very quick here. I do for you an inverted Fibonacci retracement. So we just focus here on that move, right? So this is a clear uptrend move. Then we had a correction. Now we are again in an uptrend. So we can just make a inverted retracement here. I don't make it now perfect, but you can see if this is not the algo resistance trend line, then the price goal for AMD would be 311 US dollar based on this inverted Fibonacci retracement and based on this move here, which we had here from 2024 to February 2024, guys, here, this move. So this is what I want to show you. This is my update for you guys. I hope that video was helpful. If you want to see more AMD videos, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button. I thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.